Hey folks, in this video today I'm going to be covering the status indication lights that are often found on our chillers on the Schneider controller. To start things off, we're going to take a look at the status indication lights, which are found at the top of the display. Here we have our warning / fault indication. A solid light means that there is an alarm condition, whereas a flashing light means that the warning is present. Next up, we have heat engaged / warmed up cycle. If you have a chiller system that has heat in it, this just means that the heaters are pulsing. Cooling solenoid engaged. If you're doing a pull down to a set point for your process fluid temperature, your cooling solenoid is going to engage and allow a refrigerant into the refrigeration system. This just means that solenoid is opening and closing. Chiller power on. Exactly how it sounds. Temperature out of range. If your process fluid temperature is plus or minus 5 degrees from your set point, that just means your temperature is out of range and your chiller should be trying to control to it. Next up, we're going to look at the hardware status lights. These are indicated by the 1 through 7 at the bottom. For number 1, we have fluid level OK. That means that the fluid level in your reservoir is at a safe operating condition. This is indicated by the critical safety water switch that comes with all of our chillers. Run signal OK. This means that you've told your PLC controller to start chiller operation, whether it's through the PLC itself or through remote start stop. 3, compressor on, just as it sounds. 4, circulation pump on. This is your process fluid pump. That means it's engaged. 5, auxiliary pump on. If you have a secondary pump in your system, such as an evaporator pump, this means that is also engaged. 6, fan set 1 means that your fans are turning. 7, fan set 2. This means your fans are engaged if you have a larger unit, such as our OTM series. And there you have it. You now know the LED indications on our Schneider controllers.